MG clutch. So don't have de-icer. Mission 1 MG clutch. This is ST, I guess that's starter. So we want this one. AC compressor is intermittent for some reason, and I'm pretty sure this is original. That dude is in there. Wow. Let's see if I can give a little persuasion without jacking nothing up. No, I don't want to do that. There we go. Okay. I got two of them. I got a 2010 Lexus and a 2011 Sienna, and they got the same relay. I had to get a premium and a not so premium. So I will put the premium in the Lexus. Ooh. So this is the premium. Let's look at the not so premium. See what that looks like. Looks identical. Wow. Wow. Probably charging a few dollars more for the premium. It's identical. Oh well. Okay, in there. Beautiful. Simple. Alright. This is the old one. This is the not so premium. We'll save that for the Toyota for tomorrow. this cover on. There is a gasket in here. Mine is staying put. That's good. Make sure if the gasket comes out, just push it back in ever so neatly. And this latches on with a couple little retainers. There it is. Got some extra fuses on a fuse puller. There it is. Put this over here. This is the master cylinder reservoir bracket, mounting bracket. So we'll, there we go. Start that by hand. And we'll start this one by hand. They're all the same bolt, same size, same length. And we'll just hit these. Not too tight. And we'll slide this back over. It's got a little notch right there. Catches. Then this hole should line up right there. Beautiful. I'll put this back in like that. That's the level sensor. There we go. Not too tight on that. Good. That's it. Keys. Tools. Cover. Little funny clips. Good. One more time. No tools. Okay. So the problem I was having with this car is AC. I know it needs an actuator. Not a temp actuator, an air dampener actuator. It's preventing the AC from coming on for the first 45 seconds. And then the AC will come on. So I got nothing, no AC at all, nothing, no blower, nothing. And anyways, after the amplifier realizes that, okay, air dampener servo has an error, let's go ahead and kick the AC on anyways. So it's going to come on here in just a few seconds. It takes about 45 seconds. But what was going on, the AC would come on, and then it would just stop blowing cold air. You would see auto, you could lower the temp as much as you want, no compressor. And then all of a sudden, boom, compressor would come on. There we go. So now the AC is going to come on now because I just went the fan off. So I'll go fan on, put the temp down, and I'm feeling cold air. But again, it's intermittent, so compressor clutch relay is just a guess, but it's original. It's a 2010 Lexus, so it's 13 years old. Good possibility that the coil and the relay is just junk, or the contacts are junk. So we're going to try this and see what happens. If it continues to be intermittent compressor problem, then I'm going to have to dig a little deeper. I know I need to fix the actuator for the air dampener. I'm just not ready to dig into that yet. Anyways, we'll see what happens. We'll try it.